Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. So let's get into the video. So open up Bybit. And then go to your account. So log into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, so now if you haven't set up the Google Authenticator, so what you can do is simply go to your account option here. So here, when you go to your account, click on the account and security option. So when you click on your account and security option here, so you will get to your account settings here. So once you get to your account settings, so what you're going to do now here is you're going to go and click on this Google two-factor authentication option here, because I've not done it. So you'll get this option here. So now they'll send a verification code to your email address, your registered email address. So you just need to go to your email address and then get the registered code. So for example here, let me do that. So I'll get it. Okay, get that. And then once you've got the code, then you'll get to this screen here. So all you have to do now is pretty simple. Take your phone and then download the Google Authenticator, whether from your Play Store or your Apple Store. Just download it. So once you've downloaded it, what you're going to do, you're going to just open the app and then scan this QR code. So open the app and scan this QR code. Okay, so once you have scanned this QR code on your phone, so that will authorize this login and then save this code. And then once you have done that, what you're going to do is you're going to type in this. You will get a code from through your app, and Authenticator app. So just type that in. You can get that from your phone once you have scanned the code. So once you have done that, just hit on confirm, and once you have clicked on the confirm option here, and that's it. Your Google Authenticator has now been set up, and that's pretty much it is. So now you have already set up your authentication and you're good to go now. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in another video. Thank you.